When you wash your mello bee or your worker bee, you'll first need to take out the bag of buckwheat hulls and the foam piece from inside the outer cover. You'll start with the foam piece, and you might have to tug a little bit as it is a pretty tight fit. Then you can take out the bag of buckwheat hulls. If your mello bee or worker bee cover is made from a delicate material, you'll want to turn it inside out before you wash it. If it's made entirely out of canvas, you can leave it right side out. When you wash the cover, make sure that you use a delicate cycle and cold water. When you dry your mello bee, you'll also need to use a delicate cycle, or you can air dry. Now that your mello bee or worker bee cover is fully washed and dried, you can begin putting the foam piece and the bag of buckwheat hulls back inside. When you put in the bag of buckwheat hulls, make sure that they're evenly spread out within the outer cover. Now you can put the foam piece back inside. Now remember, it is a tight fit, so it may take a minute or two to put back inside. Now zip it up, and you're all set. Happy sitting!